Hi, good day. I am Romel Ergina and I will be discussing the communication flow and processes. So, first things first, what is communication? Communication is a process by which information is exchanged between individuals through a common system of symbols, signs, or behavior. It is also a process wherein we can give informations or ideas to someone using words, actions, or sounds. For example, I have an ideas about writing a poem for someone, but I cannot connect those ideas and make it as one, so I asked my friend to help me, and she told me what should I do for me to be able to write a poem. That's an example of communication. I ask for help and she suggests things to help me to make a poem. So here are the process of communication. First, we have sender, then encoding, message, channel, receiver, decoding, and the last one is feedback. So here's how the flow and processes of communication works. Communication process is a step we take in order to communicate with one another efficiently and effectively. The communication process is also made up of a different components, and these components are encoding, transmission, decoding, and feedback. Also, there are two other factors in the process of communication, and that two factors are present in the form of the receiver and the sender. It is also the act of successfully communicating involves a number of phase or acts which are referred to as the communication process. It involves a number of elements including the communicator, the message being sent, the messages encoding, the receiver, and the messages decoding. So here's the other explanation of how process and flow of communication works. The sender develops an idea to be sent. The sender encodes the message, and the sender selects the channel of communication that will be used. The other one is the message travels over the channel of communication, and the message is received by the receiver. And the last one is the receiver decodes the message and the receiver provides feedback if it is applicable. And that's all for the discussion. So before I end this discussion, I want to drop two quotes from different person I found on the internet. So here are the quotes that I have found. First, we have a quote from Ernest Hemingway, which is, when people talk, listen completely. Most people never listen. And the other quote is from Peter Drucker. It said, the most important thing in communication is to hear what isn't being said. So that's it. That's all for today's discussion. I hope you enjoy it and thank you so much.